In most offices today, visitor data is scattered, slow, and hard to act on. With Veris Activities Page, you get a real-time visitor tracking center all in one place. Track who has checked in, who has checked out, and filter by venue, category, or status. Take quick actions like viewing badges, adding notes, or force checkouts. Even VIPs and walk-in guests can be onboarded instantly with Create Activity. Secure check-in just a few clicks. Every activity syncs automatically with your dashboard, ensuring compliance, security, and a smooth visitor experience. The Activities page is more than a log. It is your command center for visitor management.